20 positive messages when you need encouragement. We all face moments of doubt, fear, and uncertainty in life's journey. During these times, we need a beacon of hope, a message of encouragement to guide us through them. Here are 20 positive messages, affirmations, to uplift your spirit and reignite the fire within your soul. Use these positive affirmations daily to bolster your optimism. You'll soon begin to believe in yourself again. 20 positive messages to uplift your spirit. These 20 compelling affirmations to remind yourself of your worth. 1. I am capable of achieving greatness. Believe in your potential. Each of us has unique skills, experiences, and perspectives that can lead to unparalleled achievements. Embrace your capabilities and remember that greatness is a journey, not a destination. 2. Challenges are opportunities in disguise. Every challenge you face is a chance to grow, learn, and evolve. Instead of seeing obstacles as setbacks, view them as stepping stones toward your ultimate goal. They shape you, making you stronger and more resilient. 3. I am deserving of love, respect, and kindness. External factors or opinions do not determine your worth. You are inherently deserving of love, respect, and kindness. Treat yourself with the same compassion you offer to others. 4. Every day is a fresh start. No matter what happened yesterday, today offers a new beginning. Positive messages remind us to start each day with optimism, knowing it brings new opportunities and experiences. 5. I trust the journey, even when I don't understand the path. ***. Life doesn't always go as planned, but that doesn't mean you're off course. Trust that every twist and turn leads you where you need to be. 6. I am surrounded by abundance. Abundance prevails whether you believe in God, the universe, or another higher power. Believe, and you will find love, opportunities, or the resources you require, when you need them the most. Recognize the wealth around you and know that there's enough for everyone, including you. 7. I am constantly evolving and growing. You are not static. With every experience, you learn, adapt, and become a better version of yourself. Celebrate your evolution and the journey of self-discovery. 8. I have the power to change my story. Your past doesn't define you. At any moment, you can rewrite your narrative, make new choices, and steer your life in a different direction. Leave the past behind you and write an exciting new chapter in life. 9. My dreams are valid and achievable. No dream is too big or too small. Your aspirations are valid, and with determination and effort, they are within reach. 10. I am resilient and can overcome anything. Life's adversities are no match for your inner strength. You have faced challenges before and emerged victorious. This time will be no different, as positive messages can remind you. 11. I am worthy of success and happiness. Success and happiness are not reserved for a select few. You are just as deserving. Pursue what sets your soul on fire with conviction and passion. 12. I attract positive energy and opportunities. Your mindset shapes your reality. You become a magnet for good vibes and fruitful opportunities by focusing on positivity, abundance, and happiness. 13. I am in control of my emotions and reactions. While you can't control external events, you have full authority over how you respond. Now, focus on learning how to choose reactions that align with your values and well-being. 14. I am loved and supported by those around me. Remember that you are cherished by friends, family, and the universe, even when you face solitude. Their love and support are unwavering, never doubt it. 15. I am a beacon of light and inspiration for others. Your journey, with its ups and downs, serves as an inspiration for many. So shine on, knowing that others look up to you. 16. I am at peace with my past. Your past, with its lessons and memories, has shaped you. Embrace it, learn from it, but don't let it tether you to one spot. Find peace and move forward with grace. 17. I am open to new experiences and adventures. Life is an adventure filled with unexpected joys. Stay open to new experiences, for they enrich your soul and broaden your horizons. 18. I am a creator of my destiny. You are not a passive spectator watching a movie about your life. With every decision, you shape your destiny. Take charge and create the life you envision. 19. I am filled with boundless energy and vitality. Within you lies a reservoir of energy and zest for life. Tap into it, fuel your passions, and approach each day with enthusiasm. 20. I am a masterpiece in progress. Perfection is a journey, not an endpoint. You are a work of art, constantly evolving and refining. Celebrate every brushstroke that makes you uniquely you.